Raised 3 kids, I dare say you can handle 2.
But I mean,
they're not your own, so at least.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know a lot of things to do away from here or anything, but.
Well, they can play on the pool outside, and so can Kieran, for that matter. Kieran, did you get tired by when I got the video camera out?
Splashing me, and she took your water bottle and was playing with it.
Look, Kieran. Kieran is almost 3 months, 2 and 3/4 months old.
Well, hi there. Well, hi there. You gonna go get it? Yeah. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Go get it. Go get your toy. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Look, Kieran. Look. Look. So I could rest my head a minute. It's tired.
My head is so happy. There goes his thumb in his mouth.